Hello and greetings, Reality Radar fanatics. Thrilled to have you back for yet another captivating episode on our channel. Today we're going to delve into an odd, perplexing, and downright thrilling phenomenon: mystery box services. You might have come across a few internet websites offering these disconcerting boxes, packed to the brim with peculiar, often unsettling items, a surprise in every package, a riddle in every item, and an enigma wrapped in a conundrum. That's what these mystery boxes promise. But the question remains, are they for real, or just intricately designed hoaxes? Stay with us as we take a deep dive into the mystic, enigmatic world of mystery boxes. We'll be unraveling the fascinating psychology that fuels our collective obsession with the unknown, the allure of the unexpected, and the innate love for a good. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Mystery box services. They've been the buzz of the internet, sparking curiosity, raising eyebrows, and sometimes causing a ripple of concern. At their core, they're a gamble, a game of chance. You pay a price, and in return receive a box filled with items whose value could be less, equal to, or more than what you've paid. But what truly lies within these boxes? Are they the treasure troves they promise to be, or are they merely elaborate pranks? The truth, as it often is, lies somewhere in the middle. Yes, there are mystery box services that offer value for money, providing delight and surprise to their customers. These boxes often contain novelty items, collectibles, or exclusive merchandise that cater to a specific interest or hobby. They're a hit among the adventurous, the collectors, the enthusiasts who love the thrill of the unknown. But then, there are the other mystery box services, the ones that have been reported to contain disturbing items, causing quite a stir online. These are often the subjects of sensationalized unboxing videos, stirring intrigue and alarm in equal measure. But are these for real? Or are they merely hoaxes designed to attract views and create a buzz? The truth is, many of these disturbing mystery box services have been debunked as hoaxes, cleverly orchestrated to generate a sense of horror and intrigue. It's a world where reality blurs with fiction, where the thrill of the unknown is exploited for clicks and views. Now let's talk about the darker side of these mystery boxes. Some customers have reported receiving disturbing and even potentially illegal items. From creepy dolls to bizarre handwritten notes and even unidentified substances, it's clear that not all mystery boxes are a source of excitement. In some cases, they've been a source of distress and discomfort. Whether these items are part of an elaborate prank or a more sinister plot remains a mystery. But it's crucial to approach these services with caution and skepticism. Be skeptical, do your research, and remember, not everything that glitters is gold. So, are mystery box services real or hoaxes? The answer is still shrouded in mystery. Some may offer genuine excitement while others might be out to shock and deceive. We recommend doing thorough research before trying any of these services. They can offer value, novelty, and fun, but they can also be a breeding ground for hoaxes and pranks. The key is to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism, and never forget, the allure of the unknown is powerful, but it's not always what it seems. Remember, the truth is often less mysterious than the myth. And as we've uncovered today, the world of mystery box services is no exception. So the next time you're tempted by the allure of the unknown, remember what lies beneath the surface. After all, every mystery has its truth waiting to be unveiled. That's all for today's episode of Reality Radar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.